Hello everyone, welcome to Art by Maida. In this video, we will discuss about all you need to know before starting your first acrylic painting or sketching. First, we talk about canvases. There are different types of canvases. There are prime stretch canvases used by artists. They are available in different sizes. Then we talk about acrylic paints. Acrylic tubes are heavy body paints. They are available in two forms, tube forms and water forms, but I recommended you to use two forms because two forms are heavy body paint and they are best to use. Then we talk about pencil colors. They are watercolor pencils. They are in two sets. They are 48 in numbers. We can use them with waters. Then we discuss about charcoal pencils. These are charcoal pencil set. If you are new, then you can use two brushes, flat brush and round brush, because they are best for beginners. Then we talk about acrylic sketchbook. They are 3A size. In this sketchbook, we can paint with watercolor and acrylic paint. It is a charcoal eraser. It is like a clay. It is used for shading. This is a A4 sketchbook. It is used for pencil sketch.